Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have created a retreat for myself in my bathroom by adding this incredible bathtub tray from XcE. What strikes me right away is how beautiful this tray is. The wood is luxurious. There's so many parts of this that make it useful and thoughtfully made. It comes with a separate soap dish, 2 trays on either side for miscellaneous objects. There's a little back piece here that you can use to prop up a book or your tablet or your phone, a spot for your wine glass, and also a cup holder area right over here. It's expandable, so it'll fit a wide variety of tubs. It's just exactly what I needed to turn my bathroom into my spa retreat. You deserve to have a place where you can relax and enjoy yourself, and this tray has made that for me in my bathroom. I look forward to using it every day. The wood is beautiful. There's so many useful spots on it that I can place things, and I don't have to worry about anything dropping into my tub because it's very sturdy. I really am in love with this luxurious tray, and I'm certain you'll be pleased with it too. And that is my point of view.